There's an epidemic of guys running around with these recording glasses and approaching women on the street.
Hey, good afternoon. Have a good day.
And guess what? Their cold approach skills are absolutely trash. These guys are getting really flaky numbers. They're never actually showing proof of them leaving or getting girls. They just get a number and then you never hear from it again.
Hey, excuse me, you look very nice today.
Thank you.
Yeah, what's your name?
Daniela.
Daniela, Cameron.
Nice to meet you.
You too, where are you from?
I'm here.
Okay,
Right.
I'm just visiting, but
Yeah,
I love
where
your
from?
energy. San Diego.
San Diego?
Yeah,
Okay.
you ever come visit?
I don't, not a lot,
Well,
yeah.
well, you should. We should keep in touch.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Sure.
Here.
90% of these numbers that the girls are giving them are pity numbers. Girls are literally giving them the phone number just to get them away. And a lot of guys in the comments don't even realize that. They're going to these people for advice. They're like, wow, this guy's so good. Meanwhile, he's just running around a mall and getting a bunch of flaky numbers.
Excuse me. I just wanted to say I love your outfit today. Have a good day. Cool. Give out a good vibe.
If you guys compare that to what me and Jesse are doing, it's night and day. Me and Jesse have hours of footage of us actually pulling women home, of us actually making out with girls, of women begging to come see us via text, not some flaky social freedom BS that I see all over the internet. Is being social good? Absolutely. But let's be real here. Why are 99% of guys watching this content? Because they want to learn how to talk to women.
I cannot talk to women.
To get flaky numbers is not the way you learn to talk to women. First of all, I want to tell you the flaw when it comes to meeting women in the day. The main flaw is women have something going on.
Sorry, I'm busy.
They're going somewhere. They're going to work. They're going to the bookstore. They're going to meet up with their friend or family member. They have a lot of plans. It's not feasible for you to take that girl home a lot of the times. Is it impossible? No, that's not what I'm saying. But your odds are much worse.
What are the odds of that?
Than going out and doing night game, which is the bars, the clubs, any type of pool party, things of that nature. Now, why night game is so successful is because guess what? At the end of the night, 99% of people don't have any plans except to go home.
No, Joe, I'm swimming here and now I'm going home.
When you meet a girl at the club, you guys are kicking it off, you're flirting, you're bantering, you're teasing her. She's invested in you. She's filling in that empty space. It's natural to walk out of the bar and go home with her. Your odds are 80% better to pull at nighttime than it is in daytime. And this comes from someone who's done tens of thousands of cold approaches, who's been on hundreds, if not thousands of dates, who slept with hundreds and hundreds of women. So take it from me because I have the experience. You could run around all day with your glasses on, getting a bunch of flaky numbers at the mall, or you can really sit down and ask yourself, why am I afraid to go out at night?
Terrified of women?
I can bet you I'll tell you the reason. Because I'm introverted. Guess what I told Jesse when we first met maybe 6 years ago? I was more of a day game and online dating app guy. We were in the club, dancing, having a good time. I was trying to have fun because I didn't feel comfortable in that environment. And I'm just like, Jesse, this isn't me. The venue isn't me. He goes, guess what? You gotta fucking learn it for it to be you. You have to fucking become that guy. And he was 100% right. You can't get by being okay with yourself, being uncomfortable in a nightclub.
I'm not comfortable with that.
Or being uncomfortable in a bar. Or being comfortable talking to a woman at a coffee shop. You have to become the guy. I was the most nervous guy in the nightclub. I had the worst approach anxiety. I had the worst fear of asking for a girl's number or showing any type of escalation or flirting.
You're flirting with me.
I was so bad at it. If you see my early journals, you would laugh and cry to see how far I've come. I went out for a full year, probably about 10 years ago, and didn't do one single cold approach. I would just sit around at the bar and wonder how I was going to make this work. But I still figured it out. Guys, if you watch this far, book a free 30-minute call in the description below where me and Jesse will help you sort your dating life. Back to the guys with the glasses. Yes, it looks cool. It looks flashy on IG. You're paying grandma's compliments. Oh, I really love your shoes, man.
Hey, I love your sunglasses. Have a good day. I love your shades, man. I love your shades. Have a good day.
Oh, where are you guys going today? How's your lunch? Talking to some random couple at a restaurant. That's cool. But you're shying away from your main purpose, which is to meet women. Why talk to all these random people? Talk to women first. Go do what you actually want to do because I know 99% of you motherfuckers don't want to be talking to some old couple in a restaurant. These social freedom guys to think they're good, I dare you
I dare you to do better.
to come out and game against me and Jesse day or night. Any venue, anywhere, anytime, we're gonna blow you out of the water, and that's just the reality of the game. But we do have glasses footage coming up for you guys, a lot of day game footage, but you're gonna see what true game looks like. You're gonna see true investment. Not only that, after we get the girl's number, we're gonna show you how we text them. We're gonna show you how we follow up with them. We're gonna show you how they wanna see us so badly because we're doing something that no other dating coach in this industry is doing. And that's truly flirting, truly understanding that we are the prize. Women wanna chase the prize. They don't wanna chase some random old man in the street with glasses on who's begging for their phone number. Big things coming on this channel, so you boys stay tuned because we're taking over. If you watch this far, hit the like button, hit subscribe, and I'll see you boys next time.